Charles's law examples. Hot air balloon. As per Charles's law, the volume of air inside the balloon increases as the temperature increases. Basketball. Charles's law causes the volume of the air inside the basketball to decrease in cold temperatures, resulting in a smaller size. Helium balloon. The temperature and volume change of an inflated balloon follows Charles's law. Car tire. The behavior of car tires changes with temperature according to Charles's law. Jogging. Jogging becomes difficult in cold weather due to Charles's law. Baking. Baking involves the application of Charles's law to achieve desired results. Pop-up timer. A pop-up timer works based on the principles of Charles's law. Deodorant. The behavior of a deodorant spray bottle in sunlight follows Charles's law. Pool float. Pool float gets overinflated in hot weather and underinflated in cold weather. Table tennis ball. Warm water can restore a dented table tennis ball to its original shape, as per Charles's law.